while I'm free. No one to care for, no one to care for me. Whoa, and I'm wild and free. No one to care for, no one to care for me. Out here on the street, the world out there so cool and I can see. I'm so glad sometimes that I'm free, but yeah, sometimes it makes me lonely. I need someone here, yes now, but guess no one really cares. That true love on my mind, but it never seems to be there. I'm wild and free, wild and free. No one to care for, no one to care for me. Wild and free, just wild and free. No one to care for, and no one to care for me. Being single sometimes is just so nice, yeah. But being with someone, yes, you gotta make a lot of sacrifice. Whoa, you can see the change, yes. The place I used to go, I don't go them no more. The things I used to do, I don't do them no more. All those partying and all those fun, yes, out there always on the run. For weeks I'm still not coming home. Oh, now I learn, it's like my free paper has burned. Cause now I'm not no more wild and free. Wild and free, with no one to care for, and no one to care for me. I'm just wild and free. Yes, wild and free. No one to care for, and nobody to care for me. Whoa, being in a relationship can be a motivation. Whoa, it can bring you down, it can lift you up and let you know somehow. Whoa, it's just the energy. Whoa, can't you ever see? Is it not good, or is it good to be wild and free? Just wild and free. No one to care for, and nobody to care for me. Oh, out here wild in this world. I gotta cop myself, yes, a beautiful girl.